Hi, I'm Mark Thomas with L&M Property Improvements here in the Seattle, Washington area. My son Liam, and we're going to show you how to patch potholes with Easy Street. First you want to get the loose debris up out of the pothole, and we're going to show you how it works even with water in the hole. Now sometimes I would cut the edge to make it a pretty little hole, especially if it's in high pedestrian maybe area or so, but since we're in an industrial garage, they don't really care about how pretty it is. See how the water's come up to the surface? And we can put a little more in. Not rocket science, it's Easy Street. I've worked with a lot of different self-leveling materials, and it almost does have a self-leveling complex to it, you know? You see how it's actually moving. It's settling itself in. There you go, and then smooth that out real nice.
Easy Street, showing potholes who's boss.
Thanks, Easy Street.